What?
Get my
I'm
hand.
trusting you. Hang on, I'll just like hold the chair.
You right? I'm filming. It's filming. It's classic. Liz getting her nose pierced in Kathmandu.
This is terrible.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, am I gonna feel it?
Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Is there blood? I feel like there's blood. Ow.
Big.
It's terrible.
Oh, that's awesome. You rock. Oh, you're doing so well.
I can feel it like go through though. Has it gone through?
Yep.
Okay, thank God.
Now just got to put the stud in. Worst part's over.
And it's little, right? Are you gonna give me cleaner?
Oh, beautiful. It's done.
Yay!
How's that feel?
Good.
Ooh, awesome.
Feels okay. I've got tears in my eyes.
Okay, over and out.
Okay.